everyone, welcome back to you all to the Data Crack, where we break down the data and crack interview together. So I'm really excited. I have been not putting a video on YouTube channel for a long period of a time since I was busy with my own interview. So today I'm going to share my real journey from working to non-technical background, that is from banking sector to technical background. Finally, I got my job as an AI developer. Means I belong from non-technical background, and finally I am successfully able to get job in the technical background. So if you are someone who really feel like switching to tech is totally impossible, then please stay with me till the end. I promise you, my story might give you the push that you really need, a motivation that you really need from switching to non-tech background to technical background. Alright, so let's start the video without any delay. So I'm really excited to share my journey, my educational background and everything. So while speaking about my educational background, I have completed BBA, Bachelor in Business Administration from Purvanchal University, Nepal. Alright, as you can see, these are some of the old pic of graduation. Alright, after that completing graduation, I have just completed almost 1.5 year of banking experience from banking sector. It was B class commercial bank where I have gained 1.5 year of experience working with banking sectors and all. Beside this, I was not satisfied. I want to do something different. Like I was so much curious to explore something new. Means I was curious about how data helps business to make small decisions, how data can impact on whole business. I was really excited where I just finally decided to explore more about the data. At that period, I just resigned my job and I start exploring about the data, the field data science and all. And at that moment, I just decided to switch my career and I start exploring more about the data. So now it was the period to explore more about the data, as I have already resigned even my job. So at that period, I just decided, after exploring a lot of, I came to know something about Edureka, where I just joined full stack data science program from there. But honestly, for the first few months, it was really tough because for me, coding was like, I was like so new to coding. I was like, what is it? I had even the zero background. I have zero coding background. I was like, totally means what I have done. Is it possible for me? How can I learn this much? Means learning all the syntax and all. Means starting everything from the zero. It was really difficult. I chose Python as my first programming language. I was totally frustrated, irritated. And at one point, I even took 1 month of a break. Like, leave it. I am just going to join the bank again. Because it was really easy for me. This is just my wrong decision. I just started thinking like that. The reason I just completely stopped everything for the 1 month. I just left everything. I just thought it is not for me. But something in me didn't let me just leave it. I was like, yes, you can do it. After 1 month, I come back stronger and started learning from the scratch, again from the zero. I just explore YouTube channels where I got the YouTube videos like Code with Harry. Alright, so I start learning from the zero, like learning what is the data type, learning syntax and all. After that, I just came to know about W3 school, where it was like from the zero. Means I was learning about what are the data type, and there was the question related to the data type where I can practice and make myself much more confident and stronger. So the reason I just start exploring every day 5-6 video from Code with Harry, and together with that I used to practice from W3 school. After a month of effort, I was like so much confident about Python. I start writing small program like building calculators and many more. At that period, I was like, right now I am able to learn Python. I should explore more. Then I just move for the SQL. I explored SQL best video from Apna College. There was the Shraddha Didi. Means everything was easy for me in SQL because even I have studied SQL during my bachelor in third semester. The reason basic thing was clear for me, and when I started learning SQL, it was really easy for me. And I was so much confident because I was able to understand Python as well as SQL. Then slowly I learned Power BI from Pawan Lalwani video. After that, I explored Campus X, which was my favorite channel ever. From there, I just learned everything. It's about NumPy Panda. It's about, again, I explore about SQL, means stuff type of a things SQL. And after that, machine learning, especially his video is really too good, means learning, machine learning, deep learning and everything. I just explore everything from Campus X. I just used to take a video. His video is long but it is understandable. I used to create a note based on that. I used to learn, and based on understanding I used to create my own note so that it can be helpful for me in nearby future. If whenever I get any confusion, I just simply can see and get the confidence. The reason I just start learning. After a few months of effort, my course was completed at Adureka. At that period, I was really surprised. They just take one Viva exam. At that period, they have just assigned one project. We need to train a machine learning model. Based on that, we need to make prediction and all. I was like little bit confident because I was able to understand everything basic stuff and all. Then I just give my best. I just try to do that project. Later on, I came to know that after submitting that project and all, and after having one-to-one session about that project and all, I was really surprised. I got a best intern certificate among my friends. Means 3 of them got the best intern certificate, and among them I was also one who got. I was like, I'm from non-technical background and I'm able to get that award, means I can do much more. Means at that period I get motivated, and I was like, doesn't matter you belong from non-technical background or technical background. Once you start keeping the effort, now everything becomes so easy. And at that period I got so much confident. Now I have already completed my course successfully, even with the best intern certificate. But at that period, what I realized, everyone was applying for the job. They were cracking job and all. At that period, what I realized was that completing course was not enough. If you complete course or gain certificate, or you study the theoretical, you do have the theoretical knowledge, you have practiced a lot. Still, what I realized was that I am not that much capable that I can gain the job. I was so much demotivated at that period because the type of a question I used to seem. So I thought that I just need much more time to build myself. I'm not going to apply right now for job and all. I just need to truly stand out. I need to build confidence and uniqueness. I start building a project. I again give 8 months relearning things because it was new for me. Now everything Python, SQL, the things that I have learned, machine learning and all, everything was new for me. And I was like, I am not that much confident that I can go and face the interview. So I just decided I just need to fix the time period. I just need to give myself more time for revising things, revisiting things and learning much more. So I spent again 8 months on learning things, making notes, and even I started creating my own YouTube videos based on my own understanding. So once I started making videos and all, relearning things, I was so much confident. That come the hardest part. Now I was so much confident. Now I am confident. Now I can apply for the job. Now it is the time for job hunting. That what I realized during that period is that job hunting, it was much more difficult than studying. Studying was easy for me. Even you can study, it is in your hand. But job hunting, I was so much irritated at that period. I just randomly create one resume and I just started applying for the job. Even I was not known about ATS, something ATS friendly. We need to maintain even the ATS friendly resume and all. I was not even aware of that. even there was no one to guide me. You need to build the ATS friendly resume and all. I just randomly start applying, and even I used to say, thought for the first 1 to 2 months even my resume was not even being shortlisted. I was like, what is the reason why my resume even have added the good project, why my resume is not being shortlisted. I was so much confused at that period. So I started exploring what might be the after 1 month of a trial and error. I finally learned something about ATS optimized resume. Then I built an ATS optimized resume. I built one strong portfolio. Then I collected the mail on sheet of all the HR that normally belongs to tech related company. Then I started sending them 20 plus cold mail every day, but I was not able to get any response for a month. I was like, where am I? Really, job hunting is really difficult, whether I can get even the job or not. Now the big challenge for me was to get job. I was frustrated every day. I had even the zero hope. I was not like, I have already studied, I know everything, but when I will get the job, that was the big question in my mind. So, finally, after a long journey and a few months of struggle, I got an opportunity to work in one company called Crazibrain Solutions as an AI intern, where I learned things, I explored things and learned on project, live project and everything. As I completed my 3 month of internship over there, I got a new opportunity as an AI developer. At that period, I was really excited and happy. I was like, now my study is totally utilized. Before I used to think it is just a waste of a time and all, but at that period, I was really satisfied. So I just decided to create this video for all of them, means for all of them who really belong from non-technical background, and they really thinks that it's not possible to transit from non-tech background to technical background, because me myself belong from non-technical background, and currently I'm able to switch to technical background. Means of course you all can even do, right? It doesn't matter whether you belong from non-technical background or whether you belong from arts or any type of a background. It's all about the efforts that you are creating. It's all about the things that you are learning, you are practicing every day. It's all about the project that you are exploring, and it's all about the understanding that you are building within yourself about that project that you are really creating. It's all about continuous learning. If you can do continuous learning, one day you will get that opportunity. It will take time. I will not say that once you will complete the course and immediately you will start getting the opportunity. You should have the few patience, and you should start exploring continuously. Once you will do that, I can guarantee you can even get the job even in technical background. So stay stronger and keep on learning and exploring every day. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.